day here in Japan. We are here in Tokyo. Ngayong umaga, meron kaming Mount Fuji tour na kinuha namin sa Klook. Lalagay na lang namin sa screen kung ano yung kinuha namin. Tapos, ito naglalakad kami papunta sa train station at ang meeting place namin sa Tokyo Station. Mamaya i-update namin kayo pagdating namin doon sa Mount Fuji. Ngayong oras na to ay 6:30 AM. Ang meeting time namin is 8 AM. Tapos siguro mga 7 degrees ngayon. Ang sobrang lamig.
So normally pag may trip, ang suggestion namin talaga, agahan nyo, no? Ahead on time parate. Kasi mahirap na. Marami mga unexpected na pwede mangyari. Diba? Lalo na kung di nyo kabisado yung lugar na meeting place ninyo.
Ayun lang. Mamaya i-update namin kayo. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello, dito na kami sa Tokyo Station. Ayan o, ang Tokyo Station. Pakita mo sa kanila yung Tokyo Station. Ayan.
Tokyo Station.
Meeting place namin doon sa kabila, sa Beams.
Sa Beams Building. Which is, ito yung Beams Building. Pakita namin sa inyo. Ayan. So, punta natin yung Beams Building. Ayan. Yan po ang meeting point namin. At ang bus namin, I think yung nag-aantay sa kabilang puti. So, later na lang po. So, pakita namin ulit sa inyo yung Tokyo Station. Ayan. Tokyo Station.
Yun lang, mamaya update namin kayo pag nandun na kami sa Mount Fuji. Bye!
Tokyo Station. Ayan, nakasakay na kami sa Beams or Fuji tour. So yun sila sa kabila. So any minute now, proceed na dun sa tour na. Mamaya umpis na rin yung bus na. See you later. Parking Tokyo Station. First stop namin. Mag-hike kami ng 10 minutes.
Hello, nandito na kami sa Shimoyoshida Station sa Mount Fuji. Sobrang lamig. Iwan ko kung ano-ano ngayon. Ano ba nga yun?
So 10 minutes
ba to?
10 minutes walk daw going to the pagoda.
Grabe.
10 minutes pataas and 5 minutes pababa.
Oh.
Sige, mamaya na lang ulit. Pakita namin sa inyo.
Buti maganda ang ano ngayon araw nagpakita si Mount Fuji.
Ito yung lugar. Pakita natin yung area. Yan, so yung tour guide namin nasa unahan. Ito yung train station. Yan. So we're gonna hike 10 minutes daw. Hike. There's the train. Anime train. Meron siyang design, no? Mga hagdan-hagdan dito, kaya ingat lang. Medyo matarik siya, ingat. Hike to hike. Para makita si Mount Fuji.
One of the most iconic spots in Japan is the Arakurayama Sengen Park, home of the stunning 5-story Chureito Pagoda. To get here, you'd have to climb around 400 steps, but don't worry, the view at the top is 100% worth it. This is the famous postcard view, the Red Pagoda, Mount Fuji, and endless skies. It honestly feels surreal to see this in person. The Chureito Pagoda was built in 1963 as a peace memorial. It's part of the Arakura Fuji Sengen Shrine, which dates back to the 8th century. Whether it's sakura season, autumn, or even winter, this place has its own kind of magic every time. Ladder Town is a scenic hillside village with postcard views of Mount Fuji. Its cozy shops and peaceful vibe make it the perfect spot for a slow, memorable stroll.
We're heading back na sa bus. We're off to our next spot.
Oshinohakai is a charming traditional village with crystal clear spring ponds fed by Mount Fuji's melted snow that has been naturally filtered over decades. Surrounded by thatched roof houses, scenic footbridges, and local shops, it offers a peaceful glimpse into rural Japan. As you walk through the cobblestone paths and the charming wooden bridges, you'll be surrounded by traditional thatched roof houses, small local shops, and breathtaking views of Mount Fuji. The air is fresh, the atmosphere calm, and the scenery feels like a painting. This place isn't just about the views, it's a full experience. You can sample fresh spring water, try local street food like grilled mochi and sweet dango, or even feed the koi fish in the ponds. There are also museums, souvenir shops, and scenic spots perfect for photos.
pilahan siya. Yan yung mga street foods dito. May mochi, may strawberries, merong corn. Yun o, umuusok dun yung corn. Tingnan natin. Wow. Ito yung corn. Sweet corn. Japanese sweet corn. Village here in Japan, near Mount Fuji. Ayan. Yan na siya. Tingnan lang namin kasi best daw na tikman ng udon dito because of the chewy noodles. Sa loob. Okay. Tara, kain muna tayo.
Shino-Hakkai is more than just a tourist spot. It's a peaceful escape where nature, culture, and history come together. So take your time, enjoy the stillness, and let this quiet village leave a lasting memory. Lake Kawaguchi is one of the best spots to see Mount Fuji up close. Surrounded by calm waters, stunning nature, and peaceful views, it's the perfect place to relax and just take it all in. Whether you're walking by the lake, riding the ropeway, or simply watching the sunset, every moment feels magical. So breathe in the crisp mountain air, take that perfect photo, and let Lake Kawaguchi remind you how beautiful, slow, and simple moments can be.
Ito ngayon sa Lawson, malapit sa Mount Fuji. And normally, ang mga gawain ito ng mga turista ay magkuha ng pictures. Like that.
Tapos na ang aming tour. Dito na kami ulit sa Tokyo Station. So far, ang ganda naman ng tour namin.
Actually, lahat ng napunta nating tours, doesn't disappoint. Marami kami natutunan, tsaka ang ganda ng mga places na napuntahan namin.
Yun nga lang, talagang nakakapagod kasi talagang may time eh.
Time bound yung so hindi ka pwede magtagal sa isang lugar. Medyo mabilisan lahat. Pag nag-DIY ka na, tingin ko magiging mahirap din. So we suggest kung first timer kayo, take kayo ng mga tours. Tapos pagkatapos nun, kung tingin nyo kaya nyo na, yun, pwede na kayong mag-DIY. So by the way, dito na kami ulit sa Tokyo Station. Ito siya, paggabi. Maganda siya, marami siyang ilaw. Ayan. Ayan. For the second time around, nag-ituloy kami sa Tokyo Station. Parang eskwela siya ng Monster Inc.
Okay, ngayon naman, siguro mag-dinner muna kami. Pasyal-pasyal kung saan pa.
Anong day ito ngayon?
Our day 10.
10.
Nalalapit na ang aming
pagbabalik sa Pilipinas.
3 days na lang.
So yun na lang, we'll upload more videos and please watch yung mga susunod pa namin mga videos and travels. Thank you!
Bye!
Dito kami kumain sa Bangera Spice Bistro Cafe. Dito yan sa loob ng Tokyo Station. So Mediterranean yung kanilang food. Para lang maiba, we will try itong kanilang food dito. So, ayan. So, dito pala, since 5 o'clock na, kailangan mong umorder ng isang food, isang drink. So, a must yung drink nila. Ayan. Ito yung mga drinks namin. First.
Banana, ano tawag dito? Coconut banana.
Banana coconut drink.
Mango lassi.
This
Mango lassi.
the mango lassi. Ito naman ay honey ginger tea. Pareha sila. Ayan.
Kasi may mga ubo kami. Ayan.
Tea.
Masarap. Ay, masarap.
Init?
Masarap.
Sobrang
Masarap
init?
siya.
O tamang init?
Tama lang.
So, sige, try natin itong drinks.
Maganda yung gusto ko.
Alam mo yun.
Parang
ito tama
Sarap
to
siya.
sa ano. Kasi may mga ubo.
Hirap. Yun, nawawala yung sarap ko.
Grabe ka mo ko.
Mamaya na lang. Pagdating yung food. Ano yan? Dami. Anong order? Chips.
Chips and I don't know.
Itong karne.
Ibang karne yan.
And biryani plate. Looks delicious.
Pwede paro mo kung iso.
Spicy chicken plate. In-order ni Kuya Lunch. Tandoori fish. And with turmeric rice.
Yun lang ginagawa ko sa house eh. Yun yung ganyan.